Before you decide what your dream motorhome looks like, wait until you see this one. From its bold exterior to its luxury interior, every detail has been designed to impress. But the most surprising features are hidden where you'd never expect them. Stay with us until the end because this RV keeps getting better with every step. Welcome to Rolling Wheels, where we explore the world's most incredible motorhomes and bring you the ultimate luxury RV experience. Welcome back to Rolling Wheels. Now let's take a closer look at the exterior of this incredible motorhome and discover what makes it stand out. Right from the front, the bold design creates a premium first impression. The distinctive grille, sharp lighting elements, and clean body lines give this RV a modern and confident road presence. Moving around the sides, you can appreciate how every panel is designed with both style and practicality in mind. The large windows not only enhance the overall appearance, but also help create a brighter and more open living space inside. As we continue around the vehicle, notice the carefully integrated storage compartments. These exterior compartments make it easy to organize camping gear, tools, luggage, and travel essentials without sacrificing valuable interior space. Every access panel is positioned for convenience while maintaining the clean look of the motorhome. Nearby, you'll also find the electrical charging connection and utility access points, allowing quick and simple setup whether you're staying at an RV park or preparing for an extended journey. Looking lower, the wheels and tires are designed to provide stability and confidence on long-distance trips. Their solid stance complements the strong body structure while adding to the premium appearance of the vehicle. As the camera moves upward, the roof design reflects careful engineering, with every visible component neatly integrated to maximize functionality without compromising the sleek profile. From every angle, this motorhome balances luxury, practicality, and modern styling. Every line, every compartment, and every exterior detail has a purpose, creating a vehicle that's built not only to look impressive, but also to make every journey more comfortable and enjoyable. And we're only getting started, because next we'll step inside to explore the beautifully designed interior and discover where this motorhome truly comes to life. Now it's time to step inside and discover what truly makes this motorhome special. The moment you enter, you're welcomed by a spacious and thoughtfully designed interior that blends comfort with modern luxury. Every inch of the cabin has been carefully planned to make life on the road feel just like home. The living area offers a relaxing atmosphere, while the smart layout makes excellent use of every available space. Moving further inside, the sleeping area provides a comfortable place to unwind after a long journey. Nearby, the wet bath is designed to be compact, practical, and easy to use without sacrificing convenience. The kitchen continues the premium experience with a well-organized layout that keeps everything within easy reach. The sink, cooking area, refrigerator, and storage cabinets work together to create a space that's perfect for everyday travel. You'll also notice the clever storage solutions placed throughout the interior, allowing you to carry everything you need while keeping the living space neat and organized. The dining area provides a comfortable place to enjoy meals, work, or simply relax, while the sofa creates the perfect spot to sit back after a day of exploring. Soft lighting, premium materials, and quality craftsmanship complete the experience, giving this motorhome a warm and inviting atmosphere. Every detail inside has been designed to combine practicality, comfort, and luxury, making every trip feel effortless and enjoyable. Stepping into the driver's cockpit, you'll immediately notice that everything is positioned with convenience in mind. The dashboard layout is clean, modern, and easy to understand, allowing the driver to access important controls without distraction. The steering wheel feels perfectly placed, while the instrument panel keeps essential driving information clearly within view. Comfortable seating and excellent visibility help make long journeys more relaxing and enjoyable. Every control, switch, and storage space has been thoughtfully arranged to improve the driving experience. Altogether, this cockpit combines comfort, functionality, and confidence, making every mile behind the wheel a pleasure. As our journey comes to an end, this motorhome leaves one lasting impression. It's built to turn every road into an unforgettable adventure. Whether you're exploring scenic highways or peaceful mountain landscapes, it delivers the perfect balance of comfort, style, and freedom. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Rolling Wheels, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next luxury motorhome review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.